Hi, I came to Holistic Care Solutions because I was going through a very big traumatic PTSD stress syndrome. I had a sudden death in the family and I felt confused, couldn't sleep, had anxiety, was depressed, shaking, almost like in a panic state. And Dr. Cabrera really changed my life. And I'm a new person. I completely got through the first 2 weeks of this tragic death that I had in the family, and I can function, I'm working, and I'm feeling much better. I didn't know what to do, I couldn't function, and I got here, and between the acupuncture, the herbal therapy, and her talk therapy, I was a new person when I walked out of here. I felt with energy, I didn't feel sad, I didn't feel depressed, I was able to sleep. I totally would never stop coming here for a while because she has really changed my life. I recommend her highly.